Hello everybody and welcome back to another TrustLaunch tutorial. In today's video, we're going to show you how you can create your own launchpad. Now, this is very simple. If you've already created a token, what you would do is click that create a launchpad button. But if you haven't done that, and you're kind of fresh, you have your own token and you just want to create a launchpad, what you're going to do first is connect your wallet, connect your MetaMask account or whichever wallet you use. And then you're going to go over here on the left hand side, you're going to go to launch pads and you're going to hit create a launch pad. And now super easily, what you're going to do is you're going to paste that token address that you created of your token. And if you created a token in the previous episode or previous video and you lost that token address, what you can do is you can go to your MetaMask account. Again, this is just my test net here, and you can go to activity and you can see here contract interaction. What we did was we created a token. Let's go ahead and view that. And then we got the pencil token, if you guys remember, and I can copy that address here and go back to TrustLaunch and just paste that there. So voila, that's all you have to do. And then we go ahead and hit approve here for our wallet. What we're doing is we're creating a launchpad for the pencil token. This would be the symbol, and there's 18 decimals, total supply 1000. The currency is in BNB. That is the only option currently. And the fee option is, there is only one as well. We may change this in the future, but as of right now, these are the only two options. So it's very easy. There's not much to do here except hit approve. All right, now on my MetaMask wallet account here, it's asking me to confirm a custom spending cap. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit max here because there's no reason why not. So what this does is it allows the TrustLaunch contract to use your tokens to give out in the pre-sale. So if you don't do this, then you can't have a pre-sale or a launchpad on TrustLaunch. So we go ahead and hit approve there, very easy. And now we're just waiting for that to confirm. And that is basically it for creating the launchpad. It's a super simple process. There's not much to it. Although we will have to enter in some details here. So we're going to hit continue now that it's been confirmed. Alrighty, so the second you confirm that transaction, this page will pop up. And it's very simple. What you're going to do is just fill out some important details about your launchpad, such as do you want a launchpad or a fair launch? Now, a fair launch is slightly different than a launchpad as you just punch in the tokens, the soft cap, the minimal buy, max buy, whereas a launchpad, you have to enter the price. So you're predetermining the price and a launchpad determines the price at the end. Now, in a pre-sale, in a launchpad, for example, we can just punch in some random numbers here. I mean, of course, if you were launching your own token, you would do it a little bit more methodically. As you can see here, I did put a lower price than the pre-sale rate, which means that the pre-sale investors would earn more tokens than when the actual list. So they kind of get a bonus here, right? By investing into the pre-sale. So being the early investors, you can do that. So you have that option with TrustLaunch. And we can go ahead and just put a random soft cap. Let's do 0.01, and then let's do 0.1. Maybe do 2.5. There we go. Again, you just have to kind of fit these parameters. And of course, if you're launching your own token, you would kind of want this to be a little bit more methodical in your process. But I'm just going through giving you guys examples of how you would do it yourself. And let's go ahead and put the minimal buy here at 0.001 and a maximum buy at the hard cap 0.1. It's not very high. So liquidity percent, I'm just going to go ahead and put 51. That is the minimum. And I'm going to go ahead and lock that for 365 days. Any tokens I want that are unsold will be burnt. So now we can go ahead and give a bonus. Now you have the option to opt out of this if you want. We did already give a bonus up here, so you don't necessarily need to give two bonuses. But I would like to do that because I want to bless my investors. So what we're going to do is at 0.02, 0.04, 0.06, 0.08, and 0.1. I will give a 5% bonus in increments. So you can see here, now we have a 25% bonus towards the end. So yeah, it's super easy to do just like that. And then it kind of gives you all the details that you would need to, complete your pre-sale. So here, for example, for creation of the launchpad, you need 85.756 tokens. Now that is because of the listing rate, the soft cap here. If we change this, for example, to 0.5 and change this to 0.1, 0.15, just make it 25%. See, we need a little bit more tokens here because, you know, we're giving out more tokens, but we're just going to keep it as it was, and 0.025. There we go. Alrighty. So now all you're going to want to do is just click create launchpad, and that is it, guys. And I got a transaction that popped up. You can see here. I'm just going to go ahead and hit confirm. And that's just, you know, confirming the gas fees. Again, there's no fee here on the transaction just confirmed. There's no fee on the testnet, but there would be a fee from our end for creating this for you guys and making it easily accessible for you. But that's all there is to it, guys. We've just created our own launchpad. The next video will show you how to edit your launchpad, and that again is just another easy step towards, you know, finishing it up. There are some things you need to consider when you are creating your launchpad. We have to schedule your launchpad first. The about your project, you know, you'd want to enter these details first, but I'll show you how to edit at the same time. So that's all for now. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.